Hello all, welcome back to my channel once again. So in this video, let's see how to get the software versions of the navigational equipments that is present on board, that is being a part of many companies' policy. It is that ETO or the electrical engineers on board, or also the cybersecurity officers on board. So being a responsible cybersecurity officer, it is also part of ETO's duty to collect all the software informations, the versions of the software, and keep it up to date in your file. So it's a part of it. We are getting the software versions of every navigational equipment. So what you see here is EGDIS, and I'm going to show you how to take the software versions. So on the EGDIS, if you go to the home and settings menu, there you're gonna see the version, software version 2 point something like that. So of course it differs from ship to ship, the company to company, the owner to owner, but in my vessel this is how we take. So generally this is how you'll be taking on the navigational equipments. So yeah, now we're going for the radar. Sorry, for a radar monitor in my ship, like radar, EGDIS, it is all connected to one particular display called MFD, multifunctional display. It is like one software where you can actually change the display and run any or either of the program, let it be EGDIS or radar. Okay, so it's almost similar here, but the only thing is the additional software used for radar is about the transceiver unit. Sorry. Next, upon radar, now we'll go for SAT-C. On board we have two SAT-C, and the manufacturers of the SAT-C are Sailor. First we go with number 1 SAT-C, and I'll show you how to take or note the software version of SAT-C. So yeah, click the settings, then no yeah, click on the system. Once you get to click the system, you get to see the software versions of SAT-C's GMDSs, SAT-C's message terminal, SAT-C's PSU and charger, and SAT-C's GMDS's terminal. So I've got updated, so whichever I have noted, I have made a mark. That's why you can see there is a blue check mark over there. Now it's for SAT-C2. It's the same procedure. Click on the system setting. You got to see all. Like each SAT-C is having like PSU charger, multi-alarm panel, thermal control unit. So this way you can get to know the software versions of SAT-C. Now I have completed for EGDIS, radar, SAT-C 1, 2, now what else remaining? MH. So MFHF unit. Let's see how to get from here. Basically Sailor is the manufacturer over here, so you have to press more, then setup. You have to press setup until you get to see system setup page. Click, there is nothing. You have to continuously click the setup button more, then you get to see this thing. So once you get to see the system setup page, at the last end of the page you can get to have the software version. There is a rotating knob, like you can rotate to scroll up and down. So that is how we collect for MFHF. Other than this, we have VHF1, VHF2. Okay, let's get on to VHF1 and 2. First let's go with the 2 as it is close by me. So similar here. The manufacturer Sailor. Press more and choose the option of setup. Press that setup until you get to see or find the system setup page. I got to find the system setup page. Rotate the knob, scroll it down, and I'm gonna find the software version. So basically this is a part of a cybersecurity to get to have an idea of the software version that you use, the firmware that you use, and you have to send this report to the company so that if there is anything needs to be updated, the company or the the office will come back to you, or sometimes they even update being at the shore or being from the office. Since these are all are connected to a cloud, they can easily update as well. And of course for some, yeah, they have to, service technicians have to come and update it. Yeah, so this is the reason why we are taking a note of this. And this is like every year, once in a year you have to take this, I mean keep this file updated. Now other than this, we have to go for Navtex. Yeah, Navtex, I think it's easy. You just go to the home page, yeah, system setting, and I think about, yeah, you press the about. Yeah, I think the version, yeah, I press on the version, yeah, you get to see Android version, null version, platform role, serial number is there, yeah, just note this. So this is for Navtex, and this is how you note the versions of this particular one. Yeah, the manufacturer of this Navtex is Sailor. Yeah, so on board we almost have mostly the Sailor one. Then now about the VDR, voyage data recorder, the black box of the ship. Yeah, so here how to know the software version. Yeah, actually this is easy. You just have to click on the menu. No, F2. Just yeah, hold on. Oh my god. Get on, yeah, F2. Then yeah, display system information page. Yeah, see the display system information page. Yeah, you press that, and yeah, you got to have your software version, software model, and yeah, so this is how you take for VDR. So basically for ECDIS, VDR, Navtex. Yeah, so we completed with noting the software version of all bridge equipments. So yeah, thanks for watching and keep supporting. So basically this is a part of cybersecurity. So yeah.